What is a biomedical engineer?
Biomedical engineers are people who develop technologies that help save lives.
Career mesh.
They combine biology and medicine with engineering and mechanics. It's a combination that leads to amazing results.
Inventions of a biomedical engineer.
Imaging systems that allow doctors to see inside a patient's organs. Artificial limbs, organs and joints, lasers for surgery, all are the work of biomedical engineers.
Specialties of biomedical engineers.
Specialties include such areas as genetic engineering, medical imaging, rehabilitation engineering, biomaterials, biomechanics, and bioinstrumentation.
Where can jobs be found?
Most jobs are found in research laboratories, often run by a medical manufacturing company, a university, or by the government. Expect to spend many hours, even years, on a specific project, researching, developing, failing, and trying again.
Skills needed to become a biomedical engineer.
The resource I used was networking with people. I find it very important to chat with people, to get advice from all sorts of people. The more people from different areas one approaches, I think the better informed decision one can make. I learned a number of things by doing engineering before going into medicine. I think the major thing is the way to do analytic thinking, how to address problems, how to address them in a logical, coherent, and analytic way. That was probably the most important thing I learned from my undergraduate education. There's a lot of specific things in terms of how do you do integral calculus and how do you do differential calculus. I've forgotten all that. But certainly the analytic approach has stayed with me. I do think a lot of undergraduates underestimate the importance of soft skills. You know, if I look at colleagues and who have been successful, yeah, you know, the hard skills are important, but really the ones who become the most successful in many areas, not all areas, have the soft skills. They're able to deal with people, they're able to communicate well, they're able to negotiate, they're able to build alliances. Those are things that are all very, very important in terms of success. I think one of the skill sets is dealing with people, and that's a skill that's important almost no matter what job one takes. It's important to be able to deal with people, to understand people, and treat them appropriately. The major advice would probably be the same advice I give almost anybody. And that's find something you're passionate about, find something you love doing, and do it well and work hard. And have fun with what you're doing. If you're in a job or doing something you don't really like, you're not going to be successful. You're not going to be successful both in terms of life, in terms of enjoying what you're doing, and you're not going to be successful sort of on the job side.
High school courses. Requirements needed to work in the public. Biomedical and other engineers who work for the public must also take a two-part state exam to become licensed. College graduates who pass the fundamentals and engineering exam become engineers in training. Part 2, Principles and Practice of Engineering, is taken after gaining some field-related work experience. Engineers who pass the exam are licensed as professional engineers. Biomed degree. It is not required to pursue a master's degree in engineering, but it is recommended. Many engineers seek master's degree in other fields such as business administration to move into management positions.